When styling your topper, it's important that you do not do so while it's clipped to your biological hair, but rather pre-style it on a canvas blockhead. This will prevent pulling, which can cause additional hair loss. In this video, we're going to show you how to pre-style and apply your toppers to blend in with your biological hair. If you choose a human hair topper, we recommend performing a check wash within 14 days of receipt. Once your topper is shampooed and conditioned, towel blot gently to remove excess water and pin to a canvas blockhead. Pin only through the clips, never through the base materials. Pinning through the delicate base material will create holes and tears and will permanently damage your topper. When the hair is wet, use only the Jon Renau paddle brush to detangle. This brush has flexible bristles and was designed to protect both the hair and the delicate base materials. Apply a small amount of Jon Renau Blown Away Blow Dry Balm and distribute through the hair, keeping away from the hand-tied knots. Blown Away is a foundation product designed for use during every blow dry. It helps to smooth the cuticle of the hair and provides UV protectant to keep the color looking fresh and vibrant. Blow dry at medium-high heat until the hair is 80% dry. This will remove most of the moisture and prepare the hair for smoothing. Use your boar bristle round brush to smooth the hair and create volume. Be cautious of the base and hand-tied materials. Always pre-style your biological hair prior to applying your topper. You may want to add a few easy pieces to fill in for volume or length. When applying your topper, line up your biological hair parting with the topper's parting, leaving out 1 to 2 inches of your hairline. Attach your topper starting with the front clip, then the back, finishing with the sides. Always hold the base of the topper while blending to prevent pulling your biological hair. Not doing so will cause tension on your hair and can cause hair loss. Now you are ready to finish styling to complete your look. Watch our Get the Look videos to see how we create the styles in our catalogs.